Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city Visakhapatnam? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city Visakhapatnam. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video.
At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approach is followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty helps students, don't let them be hustled up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Career Launcher Institute. This is one of the pioneer entrance coaching center for the Asia, which is run by IIT IIM alumni team. This center changed the life of many students by showing them the right way to their career. The address of this institute includes 48326 Lane between Sri Krishna Vidya Mandir and Public Library, Srinagar beside Day and Night Hospital. The email ID of this institute is wizak.cl@careerlauncher.com and their website includes www.careerlauncher.com. The courses offered here are school level engineering SAT examinations and also they provide you the IIT JEE coaching examinations as well. The fees varies with the type of packages. The variation is generally from about rupees 7,000 plus to about rupees 17,000 plus. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Aakash Institute. It has 25 years of experience. With this experience, only this institute prepares students for all foundation level examinations and they impart meticulously designed quality coaching. The address of this institute includes Dwarka Nagar, Medicherla Tar, G447, 1033 Diamond Park. The email ID of this institute is iitjee@aesl.in and their website includes www.aakash.ac.in. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Narayana IIT Academy. Education is the single most tool that shapes mankind. This is a unique concept which was brought up by the Narayana Group of Educational Institutions. They had an intention and commitment. It was to provide a result-oriented quality education all over the India. Alright, the course details of this institute includes Main cum Advanced JEE course, Advanced JEE course, Main JEE course, NEET, IIT and Foundation courses. The address of this institute includes 57 Old Veeraraju Theatre Compound, 53116 Narsimha Nagar. The email ID includes narayana_nrpm@yahoo.com and their website is www.narayanagroup.com. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Visakhapatnam. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.